What's going on, guys? My name is Nick Foy, and in this video we are going to be going over the video widget from the Elementor page builder. So first, to get to this point, you need to have a WordPress website, you need to create a new page, and you got to have the Elementor plugin already installed. So when you click add new page in WordPress, it'll open up the page builder. You can click on the blue edit with Elementor button, and it'll get you to this page where you are now using Elementor. And we've got the different widgets over here on the left hand side dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and select the video widget, but first we need to create a section. So we're going to go ahead and build a page with 2 columns this time, and then we're going to go back here and we're going to drag the video into our first section. And then I'm going to go back here, and just to give you an idea of why I did 2 columns, I'm going to go ahead and grab the text editor and put it here in the second column. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a couple buttons underneath there as well. Alright, so this could be our home page of our website. It could be any other page of a website. Maybe you want to start off with a little introductory video about the company, and then have some text over here, and then maybe a call to action button such as like a contact us, or get started, something like that. So to use the video widget, however, we want to go ahead back here, click on the little pencil icon to edit the video settings. Now, inside the video editor settings dashboard over here to the left hand side, you're going to notice that there's different options for what kind of videos we can add to the website. So for right now, the default setting is YouTube. We can go ahead and grab a YouTube URL and upload one here if we were using a YouTube video, but they also have other options like Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. So I'm going to use YouTube. Alright, so I've copied a link from my YouTube channel on how to use the Elementor text box widget. So that video, I just pasted the link here, and now it populates that video into the page, and we can click on play and it'll start playing that video tutorial here. So that's the basics of how to use the video widget. Now if we want to get more advanced, we can add a start and end time. So if I want to start certain sections of the video only, or end the video at a certain section, you could do so with those settings. We also have other video options down here. If you want to auto play the video when somebody loads the page, we can have it start auto playing. We also have the mute option if you don't want any of the sound in the video. So maybe it's just a bunch of drone footage and you don't want any of the noise. You can mute the video as well. We also have loop, so we could loop the video infinitely, so it'll just play over and over and over as long as the page is open. We also have player controls we can show, so people can pause and stop the video. So I would leave those turned on in case they decide they don't want to watch the video. They got to have a way to turn it off. Modest branding we could turn on, and that will brand the video so that we can get a little bit more coverage for your YouTube channel. And then there's privacy mode. When you turn on privacy mode, YouTube won't store information about visitors on your website unless they play the video. We also have the suggested videos that happen after this video gets done playing. So we have it set to current video channel. So when this video ends, if we don't have loop turned on, it'll just pop up some suggested videos at the very end from my YouTube channel. We also have image overlay. So right now I actually have my own thumbnail image here that we use for our YouTube videos. If I didn't want this particular image showing, I could create my own image with the image overlay, and we could just choose an image here and add a new image. So that's another option you have. You can also lazy load the image. You can also adjust the play icon settings as well. So right now we've got the little play icon here that's showing up. I can turn that off, and we'll just have the normal YouTube play button showing instead. Now let's go under style and show you some of the things we can do under style. We can set the aspect ratio, so by default it's set to 16:9. We have CSS filters we can adjust, so if we want to blur, brighten, contrast, saturate, or change the hue, you can do so there as well. In the advanced tab, we can get into spacing, so we can mess around with the margins, the padding. So if I wanted to, make this video a little lower on the page to go more in sync with content that I have over here to the right of the video, we could add some top padding and space it out a little bit. So it'll only adjust the video padding here, so the text still stayed the same over on this side, and vice versa. So if I wanted to just take this back to 0, we could delete out the padding. If I wanted to come over here, we could adjust the column padding over here by going to the advanced tab, and then we could just adjust it from the top. So I could move the text down more so that it kind of lines up better with the video. Alright, so that's kind of the basic settings, all you need to know really about the video widget. The only other thing you might need is the motion effects tab here. So when you go into motion effects, we can actually make the video pop, have like a little pop or an entrance, so we could fade it, we could zoom it. So let's just type zoom from left and see what happens. So it has a little animated effect that you'll get to see. We can change the speed to make it fast, slow, normal. So we might have a little animation effect. So when somebody first loads the page, they're probably going to be drawn to the video by default because it's at the very top of the page here. But you can also add that motion effect to really attract their eye and get them to notice the video so that hopefully they'll click on it and watch your video. If you need to change the background settings for the video element, you can do so under background. You also have the option of changing the background in the column settings as well as the section background. So the section background would change the background for everything, the video, the text box, the button, all at once. If you just want the background for the video only, you can go into the element settings here under edit video and choose just your background here as well. So that's all I've got for you in today's quick video tutorial on how to use the Elementor video widget. We are going over how to grab it from the basic section here in the Elementor page builder dashboard. We clicked on the video widget, dragged it into our section here, and start playing around with the settings by clicking on the little pencil icon, where we can choose our content by pasting in a link. We can choose video options that we want to control, and then we can play with style and advanced settings like spacing and motion effects. So again, my name is Nick Foy. I'm the founder of the Nick Foy TV YouTube channel, where I teach tutorials on marketing as well as real estate investing. So if you want to learn more about how to build websites, how to build passive income, or if you want to learn how to invest your money in stocks and real estate, this is a channel that covers it all. As I am self-employed, I work from home, earning income from both sources, websites and real estate investments and stocks. So I hope you enjoyed, got some value out of this. You can check out the playlist on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Take care.